In this video, I will show you how to record your screen on a Windows PC or laptop with audio. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to Gen 2 Solutions. To get started, we are going to use a built-in Windows feature, so there is no need to install any additional software. On your keyboard, press the Windows key, the Shift key, and the S key at the same time. A toolbar will appear across the top of your screen, where you need to click on the Video button. Your mouse pointer will then turn into a crosshair. Click, hold, and drag to select the exact section of your screen that you want to capture. Next, use the controls at the top of the screen to adjust your audio settings. Click the microphone icon to choose your microphone and make sure it is unmuted. You can also decide whether to include your computer's system audio or keep it muted. Once everything is configured correctly, click the Start Recording button. A brief countdown will appear before your screen recording begins. When you have finished recording, simply click the Stop button at the top of the screen. Your recording will be saved automatically to your computer. To locate it, open File Explorer. Select the Videos folder from the menu on the left, then open the Screen Recordings folder to view your newly saved recording. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to Gen 2 Solutions. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.